Hey everyone, my name is Daniel. I'm an indie game dev working on my game of Thor, and today we are going to make a great game environment. What does it take to make an awesome environment, and is it hard? Let's see. First of all, great game environments can be made out of simple shapes or hand-drawn sprites. This means you don't need any art skills to make a nice environment, but it definitely helps when you have some. To start off, I made this little islandish thing with a Wacom Cintiq 16 drawing tablet and Photoshop. Then I have some downloadable brushes, and that are all tools I use to make digital art. Next I made one tree, and just with this single one I fill up the environment with trees. For this I duplicate the tree and rotate and scale it to make it look a bit unique to the others. Then I drew some animals and animated them to bring some life into it. I also animated the tree so it looks like there's a little bit of wind blowing. This really brings life into the environment, and this is just so important. Now let's pay some attention to the background, which takes up a lot of space on the screen. For this I drew a few simple clouds and then did the same thing like I did with the trees, duplicate, rotate, scale. To end the piece I made lighting with soft shapes and added some particles for the foreground and also the background. With this we finished the environment and it looks pretty good in my opinion. And then don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell and like, the drill. And then see you next time. Cheers.